Welcome to our stall Intech 2026. We are pleased to showcase our machine tool division in Intech 2026. Intech 2026 is an excellent platform to showcase our machines to our customers and understand their requirements and to fulfill their customer needs. Here we showcase our machine JV84, Vertical Machining Center JV84. The JV84 comes with a FG300 cast iron, which provides stability and high rigidity of the machine. This machine comes with X-axis 800, Y will be 500, Z will be 500, the table size of 1000 into 500. This machine comes with high torque motor, 11 bar 15. This comes with high productivity and cycle time for you the things. Also this machine comes with roller LM guideways, and this comes with 24 tool ATC. And also this machine has been well designed for automation also. So easy for component loading and unloading, and for robo automation also we have been designed the things. So this machine categories for all segments: aerospace engineering, general engineering, auto components and precision components also this machine can be categorized.